I mean, at this point, it's just overkill. A phone with a 200 megapixel camera? Hello and welcome to the Monthly Bazaar. Ending weeks of speculations, teasers across the internet about potential specifications, camera sample leaks showing some impressive results in terms of detail capture and night mode photography, we finally seen the unveiling of Samsung's latest flagship, the S23 Ultra. A lot of people have gotten their hands on the phone and have been putting it through its paces. It's obvious that the S23 Ultra has a pretty ambitious mission to take smartphone photography to the next level with its massive 200 megapixel camera. But does it live up to the hype? Keep watching to find out. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip is standard on all S23 models. Along with improvements to the other cameras, the main camera is now 200 megapixels. Base storage has been doubled. Loudspeaker quality has been improved, and you have now 8K video at 30 frames per second with less crop. Gorilla Glass Victus 2 offers protection. Battery life has improved with the same capacity as before. Charging speeds remain the same, as well as the prices in the US. The prices abroad are considerably higher. The S23 Ultra retains the ultra-sharp corners of its predecessor, but now has flatter sides like an iPhone, so it kind of brings the best of both worlds. It still uses a slightly curved screen, and Samsung has made some other minor touch-ups. Power and volume buttons are now a bit larger and a bit lower for easier reach, and the cameras on the back are marginally bigger. The phone is available in green, phantom black, lavender, and cream. The S23 Ultra still comes with an S Pen. It looks and feels just like before. Samsung is the market leader in display technology, so the screen on this phone looks exquisite. The 6.8-inch AMOLED LTPO panel has 1750 nits of peak brightness and a variable refresh rate that goes from 1 Hz to 120 Hz. Screen resolution is 1440p, so pictures appear razor sharp. The screen adjusts brightness, contrast, and tonal mapping to improve visibility outdoors in what Samsung calls the Vision Booster. Customizable wallpapers really make the screen stand out. All S23 models are equipped with a custom Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip. This is built on the latest 4nm technology and is a huge improvement for gamers. It's actually a slightly modified version of the stock chip, tuned to a higher clock speed. Compared to the Exynos counterpart, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip benchmark scores recorded a massive 30% faster single-core CPU performance and 31% in multi-core. The faster CPU and GPU combine to provide consistently high frame rates in all of the latest games. Base storage has been doubled and goes up to 1 TB and 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM. This particular RAM is 33% faster than the previous generation and storage read-write speeds are twice as fast. The S23 Ultra has 15-watt reverse power charging. This comes from a 5000 mAh battery, which uses 45-watt fast charging. Full charge is achieved in 1 hour. The phone gets up to 27 hours of video playback and up to 99 hours of audio playback, both of which are considerably higher than last year's model. Let's talk about the star of the show, that is the S23 Ultra's new camera. On paper, it's not a vastly different system, but after 3 years of using a 108 megapixel sensor for the main camera, Samsung has finally made the jump to an impressive new 200 megapixel sensor. The cameras available are a 200 megapixel f1.7 wide camera, a 12 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera, a 10 megapixel f2.4 3x telephoto camera, a 10 megapixel f4.9 10x telephoto camera, which is also capable of 100x digital zoom. At the heart of this camera system is the new ISOCELL HP2 sensor. Samsung uses a technique called pixel binning, and by combining 16 pixels into one superpixel, you still get 12.5 megapixel photos by default, or 4 smaller pixels into one 50 megapixel photo. Thanks to that pixel binning trick, whichever mode you use, Samsung is able to clear out noise and deliver outstanding photography. Images during the day typically have more definition and cleaner detail. Samsung has improved the processing and photos look less washed out and just more impressive overall. At the end of the day, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is a step in the right direction for Samsung. It improves in all the key areas with a much more capable camera, an impressive new chip that will finally come to all customers, and double the storage. These are things everybody will appreciate. All the rest of the minor tweaks are welcome additions. For example, 8K video and the improvements in video stabilization. Those coming from older phones will love this new model. It keeps the power and versatility of a Note, and there really is nothing quite like it on the market. What do you think about the Galaxy S23 Ultra? Leave your comments in the section below. Please like and subscribe for more videos.